Hey guys, Casey.Sanguins here at Guaranty RV. Today I want to show you this new floor plan to us. This is the Coachmen Apex 203 RBK. Starting outside, it's got the nice fiberglass front cap, have the 3/4 cap and some nice diamond plate under here on the bottom to help protect from the rocks and stuff that's kicking up from your truck. Plus they're coming back with the window up front. A lot of people really love that in the older trailers. Coachmen has brought that back. A little bit smaller, but gives you a lot of nice light inside. Coming around the side of it, you've of course got your nice big pass-through storage. These also have the magnetic latches, which are very nice. A nice, very wide door, plenty of space down there to put all your goodies. Along back, you've got a nice power awning. Push a button, it's going to come out, really extend your camping spaces. You got outside speakers with cool blue lights, blue LED lights on the speakers themselves, and it is going to have the LED light strip underneath the awning as well. This one also has a great outdoor kitchen with a nice proper draining sink here. Plenty of storage outside. Plenty of storage. I call this the margarita station. You got power back here. You've got a nice large outside refrigerator. And of course, your cooktop pulls out. Around the back here, you got a spare tire back here. Nice, easy place to get to. On the outside, you do have an outside shower and all of your hookups on this side as well. So again, this is the Coachmen Apex. Let's go inside and take a look. Now coming inside, this is a 203, so again, this is a fairly short trailer. But if you've noticed, you've got a nice sized dinette and a couch in this trailer. A lot of people are loving this new concept with these shorter trailers, is it's a Murphy bed. So during the day, you've got a lot of space, a lot of seating space inside. At night, you simply fold this couch down and pull your bed out. And now you have a full walk around queen size bed. You've got plenty of storage up above here, and of course your wardrobes on either side. There's power down here, and I'm assuming there's power over on this side as well. Yep, right down here. Back here you've got your nice dinette again. There is storage underneath the nice door here. This dinette does fold down into a bed as well. Plenty of storage back here, nice pantry space. In the kitchen, again, this is only a 20-foot trailer. You've got the big double fridge and freezer. A lot of trailers this size don't have that. Nice 2-burner stove, microwave down here where it's very easy to get to. Again, more storage up top. The bathroom. This trailer's got a very nice, very large bathroom. You got a nice corner shower, nice little medicine cabinet here, and tons of storage back here. This is on top of the outside kitchen, so it's very deep, very wide, lots of places to stack stuff, store stuff, whatever you need to take with you. Again, my name is Casey.Sanguins at Guaranty RV. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailers we have in inventory, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.